Hello there! In this video, we are going to learn how to use the preposition to, one of the most commonly used words in English. Before we dive in, let's take a quick review. A preposition is a word that shows a relationship between two things, like direction, time, or purpose. The word to is a preposition that often shows direction or movement, purpose or intent, recipient of something, and time. Let's look at each one step by step. To as direction or movement. I'm going to school. She walked to the park. They drove to the beach. Think of to like a little arrow pointing from one place to another. To as a purpose or goal. I came here to learn English. She studies hard to pass the exam. We exercise to stay healthy. To plus the base word shows purpose or reason. To as a recipient. I gave the book to my friend. He sent an email to his teacher. She handed the paper to the manager. Here's a tip. If someone receives something, we usually use to. To with time. The class is from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. I work Monday to Friday. Here, to means from one point in time to another. Watch out, because some verbs don't need to. For example, tell to her is not. It should be tell her. English has a few exceptions, but practice makes perfect. Let's test your knowledge. I gave the keys blank my brother. I gave the keys to my brother. She goes blank the gym every day. She goes to the gym every day. We came here blank learn English. We came here to learn English. Good job! I hope this video helped you better understand about how to use the preposition to in many ways. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Bye now!